Ay, wait lang ah.
Okay.
Ayala Mall. Wait lang. Ayala Mall Tagaytay Parking.
Ilabas ko muna.
Sige. Ayala Mall Tagaytay Parking. Kasi minsan di mo alam kung saan ka na eh. Lalagay ka lang niya sa harap.
Kaya nga. Oops, may parating. Rude, there's a dump truck, oh. I just close the gate.
Do not talk to it because it might see you.
Yes, it's so big. It's a big dump truck.
Sige na, hindi ko alam. Wala eh.
Sara ko lang yung gate.